Namaste. Welcome to Adiyoga Mysuru opening on the Hindu New Year's Day, also called Yugadi, also called Gudi Padwa. You are all welcome to this place in person or online. Now we shall start this program with a chanting of Om 6 times. Slow, sweet and soft. Start. Okay, now I am Dr. Neil Kulkarni and my information is on www.adhiyoga.com. This is Mr. Rahul Barman, also called Rahul D. He is our chief guest and now he will speak for 1 minute. You can speak in English or Kannada. Your name, qualification.
My name is Rahul. I am studying in Marimana School. My class is 9th standard. My age is 14 years.
And your interest.
I want to add to yoga.
And you like cricket.
Yes, sir. I would like cricket to play.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we have a latecomer guest, Mr. Siddharth, also called as Chintu, right? Chintu. He will be speaking for a minute.
My name is Siddharth. I am studying in Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala, 9th standard, and my age is 13 years, and I like to join yoga class for becoming a teacher for all the people in Inarmola, and I like playing cricket.
Okay. So he likes to pray, so he is going to pray for a second small prayer. He said just like that to pray.
Play cricket.
Play cricket. He likes to play cricket. This is Manasa Jadhav and she is also called daughter and she is 150 hours certified, internationally certified yoga teacher and now her hard time has come and she will be practicing another 50 hours to make 200 hour level international yoga teacher. So So now she will speak for 3 minutes.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಯೋಗ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹಬ್ಬ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಯೋಗ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ 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 ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Prayer done, and now Manasa will sing one yoga prayer.
ಓಂ ಹಸತೋ ಮಾ ಸದ್ಗಮಯ, ಓಂ ತಮಸೋ ಮಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮಯ, ಓಂ ಮೃತ್ಯೋರ್ಮಾ ಅಮೃತಂ ಗಮಯ, ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ.
Very good. Now I will be singing Rama Raksha Stotram because today is the day when Rama returned from his exile of 14 years in the forest. So this is a very important prayer. It contains mantras, it contains so many other things, but you have to study it from net or study it with me away from this festival. I will be singing the entire prayer and you will definitely feel the vibration. So please close the eyes and listen to the prayer. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Ramachandraya Namaha. Asya Shri Rama Raksha Stotra Mantrasya Udakaushika Virajitam Shri Budakaushika Rishi Sita Ramachandra Devata Hanuman Kilakam Shri Rama Raksha Stotra Mantra Jape Viniyogaha Atadhyanam ध्यायेदाजानुबाहुं ऋतशरधनुषं बद्धपद्मासनस्थं पीतं वासोवसानं नवकमलदलस्पर्धिनेत्रं प्रसन्नं वामाङ्कारूढसीता मुखकमलमिलल्लोचनं नीरदावं नानालङ्कारदीप्तं ददतमुरुजटामण्डनं रामचन्द्रम् इति ध्यानम् चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं पुंसां महापातकनाशनं ध्यात्वा नीलोत्पलश्यामं रामं राजीवलोचनं जानकी लक्ष्मणोपेतं जटामुकुटमण्डितं सासितूणधनुर्बाणपाणिं नक्तं चरान्तकं स्वलीलया जगत्त्रातुम् आविर्भूतमजं विभुं रामरक्षां पठेत् प्राज्ञः पापघ्नीं सर्वकामदां शिरो मे राघवः पातु बालं दशरथात्मजः कौसल्ययोद्धृशौ पातु विश्वामित्रप्रियश्रुति घ्राणं पातु मखत्रातः मुखं सौमित्रिवत्सलः जिह्वां विद्यानिधिः पातु कण्ठं भरतवन्दितः स्कन्धौ दिव्यायुधः पातु भुजौ भग्नेशकार्मुकः करौ सीतापतिः पातु हृदयं जामदग्निजित् मध्यं पातु करध्वंसी नाभिं जाम्बवदाश्रयः सुग्रीवेशः कटी पातु सक्थिनी हनुमत्प्रभुः उरूरवूत्तमः पातु रक्षः कुलविनाशकृत् जानुनी सेतुकृत्पादौ जङ्घे दशमुखान्तकः पादौ विभीषणश्रीदः पातु रामोऽखिलं वपुः एतां रामबलोपेतां रक्षाम्यः सुकृती पठेत् सचिरायुः सुखी पुत्री विजयी विनयी भवेत् पातालभूतलव्योमचारिणः छद्मचारिणः न द्रष्टुमपि शक्तास्ते रक्षितं रामनामभिः रामेति रामभद्रेति रामचन्द्रेति वा स्मरन् नरो न लिप्यते पापैर्भुक्तिं मुक्तिं च विन्दति जगच्चैत्रैकमन्त्रेण रामनाम्नाभिरक्षितं यः कण्ठे धारयेत् तस्य करस्थाः सर्वसिद्धयः वज्रपैञ्जरनामेदं यो रामकवचं स्मरेत् अव्याहतान्यः सर्वत्र लभते जयमङ्गलम् आदिष्टवान् यथा स्वप्ने राम रक्षामि मां हर तथा लिखितवान् प्रातः प्रबुद्धो बुधकौशिकः आरामः कल्पवृक्षाणां विरामः सकलापदाम् अभिरामस्त्रिलोकानां रामः श्रीमान् सनः प्रभुः तरुणौ रूपसम्पन्नौ सुकुमारौ महाबलौ पुण्डरीकविशालाक्षौ चीरकृष्णाजिनाम्बरौ फलमूलाशिनौ दान्तौ तापसौ ब्रह्मचारिणौ पुत्रौ दशरथस्यैतौ भ्रातरौ रामलक्ष्मणौ शरण्यौ सर्वसत्त्वानां श्रेष्ठौ सर्वधनुष्मदां रक्षः कुलनिहन्तारौ त्रायेतां नो रघूत्तमौ आप्तसज्जधनुषा विशुस्पृशौ अक्षयाशुभनिशङ्गसङ्गिनौ रक्षणाय मम रामलक्ष्मणौ अग्रतः पति सदैव गच्छताम् सन्नद्धः कवची खड्गी चापबाणधरो युवा गच्छन्मनोरथोऽस्माकं रामः पातु स लक्ष्मणः रामो दाशरथिशूरो लक्ष्मणानुचरो बली काकुत्स्थपुरुषः पूर्णः कौसल्येयो रघूत्तमः वेदान्तवेद्यो यज्ञेशः पुराणपुरुषोत्तमः जानकीवल्लभः श्रीमान् अप्रमेयपराक्रमः इत्येतानि च वन्नित्यं मद्भक्तश्रद्धयान्वितः अश्वमेधादिकं पुण्यं सम्प्राप्नोति न संशयः रामं दूर्वादलश्यामं पद्माक्षं पीतवाससं सुवन्ति नामभिर्दिव्यैर्न ते संसारिणो नरः रामं लक्ष्मणपूर्वजं रघुवरं सीतापतिं सुन्दरं काकुत्स्थं करुणार्णवं गुणनिधिं विप्रप्रियं धार्मिकं राजेन्द्रं सत्यसन्धं दशरथतनयं श्यामलं शान्तमूर्तिं वन्दे लोकाभिरामं रघुकुलतिलकं राघवं रावणारिम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः श्रीराम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम श्रीराम राम भरताग्रज श्रीरामचंद्र चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। माता रामो मत्पिता रामचंद्रः, स्वामी रामो मत्सखा रामचंद्रः, सर्वस्वं मे रामचंद्रो दयालुर्, नान्यं जाने नैव जाने न जाने। दक्षिणे लक्ष्मणो यस्य, वामे तु जनकात्मजा, पुरतो मारुतिर्यस्य, तं वन्दे रघुनन्दनम्। लोकाभिरामं रणरङ्गधीरं, राजीवनेत्रं रघुवंशनादं, कारुण्यरूपं करुणाकरं तं श्रीरामचन्द्रं शरणं प्रपद्ये। मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं, जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं, वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं, श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये। कूजन्तं राम रामेति, मधुरं मधुराक्षरम्, आरुह्य कविताशाखां, वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम्। आपदामपहर्तारं, दातारं सर्वसम्पदां, लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं, भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्। भर्जनं भवबीजानाम्, अर्जनं सुखसम्पदाम्, तर्जनं यमदूतानां, राम रामेति गर्जनम्। रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाभियता निशाचरचमू, रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं, रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्। रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे, भो राम मामुद्धर। राम रामेति रामेति, रमे रामे मनोरमे, सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं, राम नाम वरानने। राम रामेति रामेति, रमे रामे मनोरमे, सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं, राम नाम वरानने। राम रामेति रामेति, रमे रामे मनोरमे, सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं, राम नाम वरानने। राम रामेति रामेति, रमे रामे मनोरमे, सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं, राम नाम वरानने। राम रामेति रामेति, रमे रामे मनोरमे, सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं, राम नाम वरानने। इति श्री बुधकौशिकविरचितं श्रीरामरक्षास्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम्। श्रीसीतारामचन्द्रार्पणमस्तु। शुभं भवतु, शुभं भवतु, शुभं भवतु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। ॐ tranquillo tranquillo tranquillo। Okay.
Wonderful.
Now, sweet distribution by Sweet Manasa. Everybody gets two because of only 4 people sharing it. Wonderful. Now, juice distribution, self-service. We start with Manasa. Or maybe Manasa should give. That's better. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Have a seat. Don't forget the show. Show is going on.
Oh.
Very good, huh? Now, I give a concluding speech. As all of you know, I am Dr. Neil Kulkarni. I started teaching long ago, but professionally started teaching in 98. I taught in 20 countries so far, and now I am stabilizing my work in Kerala in a building called Guru Prasad, which you already see probably, or you can see it on YouTube. And this is my second stable place in India. This is a beautiful city called Mysore or Mysuru, and this is the place which we are calling Adiyoga Mysuru. So now I have 6 different options: Adiyoga Kerala, Adiyoga Mysuru, Adiyoga Italy, which we will inaugurate in May. It's already started like 15 years ago, but now we are officially inaugurating it in Italy. There will be 2 centers in Italy, Rome and North Italy near Venice, above the mountains. Then 4th is my country of residence, Adiyoga, USA. Then I also give almost every day online class, Adiyoga online. And then depending on the environment, situation and demand, I travel, so that is called Adiyoga travel. There are 6 different options. Now, I will be giving you a short brief on the Adiyoga Mysore. I first came to Mysore in 2012 to teach for one Australian yoga teacher, to give a teacher training. Only one Indian was there and almost 25 to 30 were overseas students. That time I taught Patanjali Yoga Sutras, and very soon I became popular in Mysore. So I tried to teach here for 2-3 years in my own school in Gokulam, but that did not work out. So I gave it up. However, my leg was already in Mysore. In 2013, my major work called Adiyoga, Authentic Yoga System of Dr. Neil Kulkarni was published by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mysuru, and that book is now in 11 languages, including part of it is already done in Kannada, Malayalam and other European languages mainly. So then in 2017, as you know that I had revised Patanjali's work by creating a new work called Patanjali Code that received Doctor of Literature, that was also published by Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mysuru. So Mysuru has given me a lot of support However, my yoga instruction in Mysuru was limited, and now for whatever reason I am starting it again. So I have left my residence in Pune, and I will be working in India in Mysuru and Kerala, which are relatively closer to each other, separated by a beautiful forest. So you can study in India with me in these two locations. Then I will be traveling to Italy every year to at least 2 months, and then rest of the time I will spend in Pune, my native place, USA, and any other country as needed. So this is a short overview of my work. Now in this place, I am very lucky that the house owner himself is a yoga student, and this Siddharth is his son, and he is also a yoga student, and he goes to Ramakrishna Mission school. The name of my house owner is Ramakrishna, and daughter has given me support for last 2 years by giving me mainly coffee and breakfast, and sometimes laundry also. So I have given her teacher training. She will complete her teacher training very shortly, and everything is wonderful in Mysore. So I'll quickly show you this room. This is a 2-bedroom place. In one of the bedrooms, I propose to keep one of my supported student from Pune, and the other bedroom will be available for a suitable student when they study teacher training with me. We also have one room upstairs, and there are many other possibilities around. So for teacher training, this will be an excellent place. Opposite to this house, there is a beautiful large garden called Shivaji Park. It is very huge with all the different things required for yoga teacher training and yoga practice. So this was at least 700-800 years old when Shivaji was a king in Maharashtra. All the people came here. So this community has a lot of Maharashtrians. But anyway, I have a lot of friends here from different backgrounds. Food is excellent at low price, and my Mysore's climate is extremely beautiful throughout the year. Kerala climate is very good in winter, and it has got harsh summer and rainy season. So now I will show you my advertisement on the building, which will see like this. So I will be offering all these type of classes and training, and also I will help the community with therapeutic knowledge, and also help the students for their studies if they are interested. So far 6 people have come in last 3 days. So it seems that there is a good response which I did not get in Pune. So this is my advertisement outside the building. I will be giving all my yoga free for this local community called NR Molla. So now I will be making a round of my room and show you the different parts.